If you're thinking about creating a print-on-demand business, then you gotta watch this video. What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now, in today's video, I'm going to convince you and share with you exactly why you should create a print-on-demand business and how you can quickly start generating sales by utilizing this business model. Now, before I actually get into this, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So first of all, what is a print-on-demand business? Well, just like its name, you're essentially selling graphics that are being printed on merchandises that you essentially sell online. And all you do is simply mark up the price and make the difference. Now, when it comes to a print-on-demand business, there are a lot of perks that comes with this business model, and I'm gonna talk about it in this video today. So with that being said, I'm gonna actually share with you the top 5 reasons why you should create a print-on-demand business. So without waiting further ado, let's dive right in. Reason number 1 on why you should create a print-on-demand business is the fact that you are selling products before it even exists. Yes, you heard it right. You're essentially selling thin air right in the beginning. Your customers, all they're doing is going to your website, see the specific graphic or design on your merchandise, and they pay you first. The minute that you got paid, then at that point, your vendor will actually create the product, pack it, and ship it to your customer. So with that being said, that means that the risk on you is next to nothing because you don't even need to pay a single penny to actually have these products being stored in a warehouse, or you don't even need to actually invest into actually having these products created before you start selling. All you're doing is essentially selling a graphic on a t-shirt through a website, and someone pays you, then that product is being made and shipped to your customer. So as I said, this is an amazing model because you don't even actually have to wait to even test drive the product. You can just have a graphic right on the merchandise and sell it right away. Now, reason number 2 is the fact that there's going to be zero competition. After all, when you have your designs made, it is 100% yours. You own the copyright, you own the design, because after all, you created it yourself. And when you own the design and it starts to take off, guess what? People can't copy exactly the design that you have. If they do, you can actually just send them a legal lawsuit and win a lot of money. So with that being said, once you're able to actually nail that one design and it's actually selling phenomenally well, no one else can actually sell it. All they can do is make variations off of it, but those variations may not do as well as what you are selling because people are actually buying yours, which is the original right out of the gate. Now, reason number 3 is the fact that you are gonna get insanely fast shipping. Unlike drop shipping, where majority of the products are basically being made and shipped out of China, and it will literally take around 10 to 14 business days before someone actually receives the product. Now, when it comes to print on demand, the beauty is the fact that everything is done locally. If you sell in Canada, you can actually find providers within Canada to actually make it and ship it for you, all automated. If you're in the United States or you're selling in the United States, there are literally countless of vendors that will be more than happy to actually create these products for you, pack it, and ship it to your customer. So with that being said, because everything is done locally in the country that you are selling in, consumers are going to get your product much quicker. And when that comes into play, guess what? your brand is even going to be better, and you're going to actually get more repeated customer than ever before. Reason number 4 is the fact that you don't even need to be a graphic designer yourself. With the advanced technologies, all thanks to Canva, you can actually create your own design by just dragging and dropping and typing a few words. This is a huge breakthrough for people that are starting out and you don't have a budget to outsource or hire designers. You can simply just go to canva.com and even go to their templates and make adjustments and actually start selling right away. But here's the deal. If you really want to be successful with print on demand, it is wise for you to actually outsource to real graphic designers that can actually turn your idea into a graphic that people will be proud of wearing and people will want to actually buy at the same time. And when it comes to outsourcing, I stay away from Fiverr. Although I love Fiverr and I do work with Fiverr directly, however, I actually suggest when it comes to graphic designs to work with Upworks. You will get better quality candidates and also designers on Upworks, and it won't cost you a lot more money than actually hiring on Fiverr.com. But at the end of the day, like I said, you can actually go with the free routes, go to Canva.com and actually create it yourself, or just spend $15, $20, or even $25 to hire a designer to create these designs for you. And remember, all these designs are going to be 100% owned by you. So when it starts to take off, no one can actually sell the same design as you. Now, last but not least, reason number 5 is diversification. The beauty about print-on-demand business is the fact that if you have a graphic that is selling well on a t-shirt, guess what? You can put it on a hoodie, on a mug, on a V-neck, right? And all these hundreds of other merchandises that you can actually put on to actually sell. So essentially, that one design that you have can actually be turned into literally hundreds of products. And just like reason number 1, all these products don't even exist yet. You make the money first before anyone can actually create the product and actually ship it out to your customer. So at the end of the day, when it comes to creating a business online, there are so many various ways for you to do so. And print on demand is by far one of the best ones that we recommend because you don't have much risk on there. You don't need to be a designer. You can actually have fast shipping and for diversification as well. And if you are looking into learning and getting help on creating your print-on-demand business, listen, we can help you in the next 21 days to build your print-on-demand business that is capable of generating sales online. If you're interested, just go to the video description right down below to actually check it out. So again, as I said, when it comes to building an online business, dropshipping on Shopify isn't the only option. There are print-on-demand, affiliate marketing, email marketing, you name it. But this video, I wanted to basically convince you why print-on-demand business is such a lucrative model. And again, these top 5 reasons are pretty lucrative. And once again, if you're interested on learning how to build a print-on-demand business, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and make sure that you check out the video link right down below. So with that being said, I hope that you learned a thing or two, and I look forward on seeing you in our next video. Bye now.